पेजेस गाइड को दिखाया, वो कह रहा था इसमें से मुझे कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आया। फिर उसको ग्रेजुअली एक्सपैंड किया, समझ में आएगा ऐसे लिखा। आई गॉट टू टेक्निकल पेपर प्रेजेंटेशन, दूसरे को समझ में आएगा ऐसे फॉर्म में जब हम लिखने लगे, फिर एक्सपैंडेड टू 125 पेजेस। It expanded to 125 pages. So presentation itself is an art. In fact, we'll talk about presenting article, presenting a paper, presenting a thesis. They are all different. They are all different.
Sir, one question.
Yes,
Sir, we are always talking about the selection of the research topic. Sir, I am not saying we are talking about the scope also. Why we don't talk about the scope of that research? Whenever we are doing a research, it should have a scope. See, just like Dheeraj sir was talking about the combustion engines, like back pressure, you did the research on that one. But as far as I know, these engines have a capacity. So each capacity is maybe having a different kind of thing. We are defining the scope, or we want to define the scope when we are taking up the research topic.
estimation of scope itself is a part of research. Estimation of scope itself is a part of research. कई बार मुझे लगता है कि ये नहीं हो पाएगा, 100-200 साल में कोई भी करने की नहीं। Generally, you would get the scope, get an idea of the scope, and then proceed on the line. What you pointed out is exactly to the point. मेरे गाइड कहते थे कि तुमको पता है कि सामने दीवार है, फिर भी तो दीवार पे अपना मस्तक क्यों पीट रहे हो? मैंने कहा सर मुझे वो दीवार ही तोड़नी है। और वो टूटी पाई। So in these institutes, that's a very good part. कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं रहता है, ठीक है, तुझे दीवार पर नहीं ना खोल, जितने साल लगेंगे उतने साल खोल। The only thing is they are upgraded, they are tested from time to time कि वाकई ये रोज के रोज जाके अपना मस्तक पीट रहा है कि नहीं पीट रहा है। नहीं तो आगे सोएगा और कह रहा है कि ये दीवार टूट नहीं रही है। तो मुझे खुद को 7 साल लगे PhD करने के लिए। After 2.5 years, I changed the topic. पूरा टॉपिक ही छोड़ दिया। I was working in harmonic analysis, and then I found कि वाकई बहुत पक्की दीवार है। अभी भी टूटेगी, जरूर टूटेगी ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है, लेकिन बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लग जाएगा। उससे तो अच्छा है कि मैं वापस चले जाऊँ, दूसरे रास्ते से जाऊँ, जल्दी पहुँच जाऊँगा। And then after 2.5 years, I changed the topic, made a new survey, identified a new problem, and then solved it. By the time I was lucky to get the solution before the scholarship was expired. लेकिन वो लिखना बाकी रह गया, वो हाथी गया और पूछ रही, वो पूछ 2 साल चली। Paper presentation or thesis writing is not so easy. So these are the brief. I can say stepping stones in research, not hard and fast. जैसे कि बीच में इन्होंने बताया, if you want to add estimation of scope, that can be one of the topics. But these are broad stepping stones in research. So it's a part of research methodology. We will be focusing on, I think most of us are engineers here. So I'll be focusing on research methodology for engineering. Likewise, you can have a course for research methodology for sciences, pharmaceutical sciences, and so on. Generally, pharmaceutical sciences को सिर्फ analysis की ज़रूरत पड़ती है, analysis की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. So their courses are concentrated on statistics. Engineers को सिर्फ statistics पर concentrate करके नहीं चलेगा. I will show you why. How does an engineer generally work? Of course, this may not be applicable for computer science or EITC research. We make certain observations. ये तो applicable है सर. And then after those observations, I get some expectations. अरे इतना ऐसा ऐसा देखा था, ऐसा ऐसा होगा. You get some expectations. Now you want to check whether these expectations are true or false. So you perform some experiments and see कि यार मैं जो उम्मीद कर रहा हूँ वो वाकई सच है क्या? For performing experiments, there is a separate course design of experiments. There is a separate course design of experiments. If I show you some topics, sir ने जो cover किया, that was just one aspect of design of experiment. उस design से उनका काम हो गया. That's good. Actually, इतने सारे words एक slide पे नहीं होना चाहिए. A slide should not contain more than 25 to 30 words. Keep that in mind. इसके effects poor होते हैं. The effects are very poor. So you can see the various topics in design of experiments. Comparative experiments, experiments with single factor. This is part of statistics. Analysis of variance. They call it ANOVA. Analysis of variance. ANOVA. आपने किया होगा सर ANOVA?
वो मेरे विशेष के बारे में था डॉक्टर वो मैटलैब.
लेकिन ANOVA तो किया होगा ना. चलो मैटलैब में नहीं किया होगा आपको, लेकिन आपने किया होगा कि मतलब कर भी सकते नहीं कर सकते. जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. But generally इसकी जरूरत पड़ती है. Analysis of variance. Then randomized block designs. I would like to talk in details about this, but I don't think I have that much of time. कि block designs क्या होते हैं और कैसे analysis करते हैं. Latin square related design, introduction to factorial design, then 2 raised to k factorial design, 2 raised to 2 is most common, 2 raised to 3 is also quite common. In general, it's 2 raised to k factorial design, docking and compounding. I am just giving you the topic names. I am just giving you the topic names. You can search on each of this topic and get the details about it. This I think these are exactly the contents of a book by Douglas Montgomery, a famous book on design and analysis of algorithms. 3-level, mixed level factorial designs, fitting regression models, response surface methods, and other approaches to process optimization, etc., etc. So you see, either I have to wait, or if I cover all the points, then you won't be able to catch all the points. That is the reason the number of words in a single slide should not exceed 25 to 30 words. 25 to 30. इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ पब्लिक एंटरप्राइज करके एक हैदराबाद में एक वरिष्ठ मैनेजमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट है. वहाँ पर एक आईटी के प्रोफेसर थे, उन्होंने ये पॉइंट आउट किया. उसके पहले ये ख्याल में भी नहीं था. हमको लग रहा था कि क्या है, सीधा सीधा पढ़ रहे, उसका साइकोलॉजिकल इम्पैक्ट कैसे होता है उन्होंने बताया. सो कीप दैट इन माइंड ड्यूरिंग द प्रेजेंटेशन. योर स्लाइड शुड नॉट एक्सीड 30 words. On an average, it should contain 10 to 15 words. So we have tested the split plot designs, etc. This is purely a topic on design of experiments. इसमें और भी methods है, Tagoshi's method, etc., etc. I couldn't cover all of them. So after having performed the experiments in accordance to whatever design you have fixed, you collect the samples from the design. इसके लिए एक सैंपल थ्योरी, again it's a big topic, I have not included. Again, जैसे कि यहाँ पर मैंने लिस्ट किया है some topics in design or experiments, उसी तरह सैम्पलिंग में भी और थोड़े से टॉपिक्स आ सकते हैं. कुछ मैंने पॉइंट आउट किए, लार्ज सैंपल्स, स्मॉल सैंपल्स, रैंडम सैंपल्स, then sample with known parameters like mean, variance, etc. ये जो डेटा तुम्हारा है, इसको कभी-कभी आपको प्रेजेंट करने की जरूरत पड़ती है, तो डेटा प्रेजेंटेशन इज अगेन अनदर concept. Graphical presentation, then bar chart, then pie chart, tabular form में दे सकते हैं डेटा. So once you finish with these things, now you analyze the data using statistics. So you see, statistics is just a part of the research methodology. It cannot be considered as a research methodology. So next step, if you analyze the data using statistics, or statistics itself is a big subject. इसमें probability आ सकती है. You may require probability theory, you may require distribution theory, and then you may require regression theory, correlation, regression, then variance and other concepts, covariance, variance, curve fitting, estimation of parameters, and so on. So these are some of the topics, very commonly used topics. So here I have listed some topics in statistics. Most commonly used topics. Again, the number of words are exceeding the standards. अब बताइए मुझे, can I represent such a small topic as a research methodology? It's just statistics. It's statistics. I am not calling it a research methodology. कोई फार्मेसी वाला कह रहा है तो इवन फार्मेसी वाला भी नहीं कहता है, कह सकता है. उसको भी एक्सपेरिमेंट्स डिजाइन करने पड़ते हैं. अलग टाइप के होंगे, उनको भी डिजाइन करने पड़ते हैं. So once whatever analysis we have done, then we make a hypothesis. Analyze करने के बाद you have a confidence in your expectations. यार मैंने जो सोचा था वो करेक्ट है या इनकरेक्ट है, जो भी. So you make a hypothesis. And now having made this hypothesis, you have to give a standard.